Welcome to 2401 Dutch Fork Road, Suite C. This is a 1,200 square foot commercial office space. It is the right side end unit of a 3-unit strip center in Chapin in Richland County. You can see out front you have ample customer parking in the front lot. There is the availability to add signage in the pylon sign at the road, as well as above the unit itself. And you can see you have a nice bench area out front. Nice parking right in front of the unit, as well as handicap spot out front in the parking lot as well. And you have nice window frontage as well as you approach the front. So we'll take a look inside. There are 8 total rooms, or that could be possibly used as offices. One is more suited probably to a conference room or another purpose. So you can see off of the entry here, you have your lobby area. So it could be possible seating or waiting area. You do have the one of the front offices does have a reception style sliding glass window, as well as on the other side here you have window into one of the other offices that is mirrored for some privacy, but you can see out through that glass, which gives you visibility as well from one of those front offices. The unit has been nicely updated. You have light tile flooring, ceramic tile flooring throughout the space, also neutral paint, crown molding throughout as well. So a very nice looking space, nice and attractive. So we'll just kind of cycle through the offices here. You have one large office off of the front entry of the building. That's the one we mentioned, of course, that has a window out to the front. Good to see approaching customers or clients. And then of course the privacy window looking out into the lobby or waiting area, the hall going back to some of the back offices there as well. And then of course that front room that could be for a reception area is in here, but that could also be a private office that has a door that closes off. You have another office on this side on the right. We won't go inside these, just kind of show you into them. And then at the back you have another, or still at the front of the building but just at the back of this hallway, you have another space going towards the looking out towards the parking lot with a large window that flanks the front door. And then of course another office here on the back side with no window. The only windows of course are at the front of the units, but nice sized offices there. So now we'll get into the central hallway, and there are several offices and other rooms off of those, or off of that. You have one large, again, office here, another one right next door, and then on this side you have basically what is more flex type space. So you have 2 restrooms in the unit. Both are unisex with a commode and sink, nicely redone as well. So that is one of those 2, that one. And then of course you have this space, which could be a conference room or just another type of space. You have some track lighting along one side of it. There is no door that closes this actual space off from the hallway, but there is one at the back end of this room. And this room could be a copy room, storage room. It does have, of course, the networking components back here in the closet, wiring for all of your internet and everything as well. And then back out, and then at the very back of the unit we finish up with, we'll just cycle around here, finish up with another bathroom. So again, this is a unisex bathroom. This is handicap accessible. You can wheel in easily here, and that's a two-piece washroom. And then of course on the opposite side we have the break room or kitchenette in the space. So you have a refrigerator in here included, as well as beautifully redone cabinetry, countertop, and tile. Again, that tile flooring does go throughout, and you have the nice subway tile backsplash there. breaker panel at the very back. And then at the very back of the space as well, you do have your rear door. There's a mail delivery slot in there. You have some hardware, looks like, there for a security bar if you need, ample locking system. Some of the exterior lights are on timers as well, which is really convenient. And last but not least, we'll just peek out back. You open up back to the parking lot and you have employee parking or extra parking back here, sort of backs out to grass and green space. And then you have, of course, the most likely the trash cans, probably for the units as well on the exterior. So, and this area is also covered as well. So that completes our tour of this commercial space, 2401 Dutch Fork Road, Suite C. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.